Mayeni and Makumalo, they mastered the game. They don't fight each other in front of Musamseleku and Macele. Macele likes to see Musamseleku's wives fight each other. Mayeni to fight Makumalo, Makumalo to fight Mangwawe. Last time Mangwawe and Makumalo, they had a misunderstanding about Makumalo's father. Mangwawe was very angry, so Mangwawe was trying to impress her feelings in front of Macele and Mayeni. Mayeni was the only person who was trying to fix the issue, but Macele was looking very happy that the friends are fighting each other. And now it happened on season 8. Mayeni and Makumalo, Musamseleku came on meeting and say, Makumalo, you said Mayeni is delusional. What? Musamseleku say many things about Makumalo in front of Macele because they are team. That's why we saw now on season 9, Makumalo and Mayeni, they are together. People were shocked to see Istimela Semzumbe. They are very happy in front of Macele. They are pretending, but behind the cameras, those people, they don't get along. They don't talk to each other. But on cameras in front of Macele and Musamseleku, they get along. That's why Macele says, I will come with my drum. So my heart says I have to join them. What? She was very shocked because last time those people, they don't get along. Musamseleku want Mayeni and Makumalo to fight, especially Musamseleku want Mangwabe, Mayeni to against Makumalo. Makumalo, that's why she doesn't want Musamseleku. You know that you can sleep with your enemy. Musamseleku is Makumalo's big enemy now because he wants even Mangwabe, Mayeni to be against Makumalo. The last time to take Mayeni's side, he wants Mayeni to win Mayeni's heart, that Mayeni can always favor him. What? That's why you see on cameras, Mayeni, she can pretend like they are okay with Makumalo, but they had a serious issue about delusional. What? Musamseleku took it serious, but Mayeni doesn't take it serious like that. So now they were shocked to see them together, even on awards. Those people, they are on one line, they are dancing. What Macele was very angry with her husband Musamseleku because they are pretending like they are okay because they know that Macele, even she is pretending to be in good relationship with Makwela, so they are playing the same game she is playing. Musamseleku wants all the wives to be against Makumalo. That's why Musamseleku say many things about Makumalo on last season 8, because he want to win Mayeni. Musamseleku want Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe to be against Makumalo. Musamseleku said on last time on meeting that Mangwabe never take his side. Musamseleku want Mangwabe always to take his side, that Mangwabe never support me. Guys, why Mangwabe should support Musamseleku when Musamseleku is threatening Makumalo that you said he was taking another woman's side? Tomorrow is Mangwabe. He can do the same thing what he is doing to Makumalo to Mangwabe. So it's not good. That's why Mangwabe, Mangwabe never take Musamseleku's side because she knows that tomorrow Musamseleku is the one, and Musamseleku was always doing it to Mangwabe, but he saw that Mangwabe never play a game. That's why Makumalo now, she doesn't want anything. Or Musamseleku last time was said many things about Makumalo on meeting. Why now he doesn't say many things on meeting? He knows that he can start a fight again with Makumalo. You know that when you are very nice to a person, that person can be so rude or to see you like you are very cheap. Sometimes you are nice because you are living with people, but those people, they are very disrespectful to you. That's why they are doing it to Makumalo. Those people, guys, they are very disrespectful. Musamseleku and Macele likes to see it. Musamseleku's wives to fight each other, Mayeni to fight Makumalo, or Makumalo to fight Mangwabe. Macele like to see them. That's why we saw it's not about Mangwabe and Makumalo. They can't fight behind. They can fight behind the screens, but on the screens, those people they can get along.